Hello everybody, welcome to Koshi Gumi channel. Today I will be painting with two different types of paints. These are watercolors and I don't really know if they're different, but this one is more of like an acrylic and it's thicker. So let's get started. Okay. So I have my cup of water. I would not use a really good cup to wash your brushes in, or anyone that has quote unquote sentimental value, because it can get really dirty, and as you can clearly see, it's pretty stained from the last time I've done painting. So just putting a tip out there. And so yes, I am thinking on doing something I always do with painting, a sunset. So yes, let's get this started. So I think I'm going to do the watercolors. Okay, so I'm probably gonna get into it now. So I am going to use a really thin brush for now. So I am not an experienced nor really good artist, so you're gonna want to dip your brush into your cup of water, because it is called watercolors for a reason, and you might need a lot of water because the watercolors are pretty solid when you don't have water on them. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by baking the sun. You know, the most important part of a sunset. Okay, guys, so I just finished the painting. It is not dried yet, but I thought I'd show you the finished product before I dry it. So I have a challenge for you guys. I don't know if this is considered a challenge, but go in the comment section below. Tell me if you'd buy this and rate it from a number 1 to 10. If it's number 1, it's not that great. If it's number 10, it's amazing. And obviously, if it's in the middle or in between, let's just say 5 is it's okay, and under 5 is needs more improvement. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to check out our other videos, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a like so we know that you like this painting video. Thanks for watching. Bye!